How to reheat Alfredo sauce like a pro.
Hello, culinary enthusiasts. Today we're going to tackle an all-too-common kitchen problem: separation in reheated Alfredo sauce. We know it can be a struggle, but with a few key ingredients and techniques, you can reheat Alfredo sauce while maintaining its creamy, velvety texture. Let's dive in.
What causes Alfredo sauce to separate?
Before we can fix the problem, it's important to understand why it happens. Alfredo sauce, with its rich blend of butter, cream, and cheese, tends to separate due to the different melting points and behaviors of the fats and dairy products it contains. When reheated too quickly or at a high temperature, these elements can break apart, leading to an unappetizing, grainy sauce.
The ideal reheating technique.
The key to reheating Alfredo sauce is gentle, slow heat. Using a double boiler is an ideal method. If you don't have a double boiler, place the sauce in a heat-proof bowl, then put that bowl over a pot of simmering water. This allows the sauce to heat slowly and evenly, reducing the risk of separation.
The secret ingredient, a stabilizer.
The star of the show is a stabilizing ingredient. One of the most effective is cornstarch. Here's how to use it. 1. In a separate bowl, mix a teaspoon of cornstarch with a tablespoon of the cold Alfredo sauce until it forms a smooth paste. 2. Gradually whisk this paste into the rest of the sauce before you begin the reheating process. 3. Keep stirring gently as the sauce heats up to ensure an even, creamy texture. The cornstarch acts as a binder, keeping the fats and liquids from separating.
Other tips to prevent separation.
Aside from cornstarch, there are other ways to improve the reheating process. Add more dairy. A small amount of extra cream or cheese can help emulsify the sauce. Continuous stirring. This helps distribute heat evenly and incorporates the added ingredients. Avoid microwaving. Microwaves can heat unevenly and cause the sauce to separate. And there you have it, folks. With the right techniques and a little bit of cornstarch, you can reheat your Alfredo sauce while keeping its creamy consistency. No more disappointing, separated sauce. We hope this guide makes your next pasta night even better. Happy cooking!